Welcome back to Is.Explained channel. Today, we're diving into Elon Musk's ambitious plan to build an AI supercomputer Tesla Dojo. If you're curious about what it is and why it matters, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. Tesla Dojo is a state-of-the-art supercomputer system designed by Tesla Inc. It's a crucial part of Elon Musk's vision to revolutionize artificial intelligence, particularly for autonomous driving. So what exactly is Tesla Dojo? In simple terms, it's a supercomputer built to train AI models, especially those used in Tesla's full self-driving technology. It's engineered to process massive amounts of data at lightning speeds. Tesla Dojo boasts several key features. First, high-performance computing. It can handle vast amounts of data and perform complex computations rapidly. Second, scalability. Designed to grow with Tesla's needs, it can manage increasing data and model complexity. Third, efficiency. Optimized for power consumption and computational throughput, making it both powerful and eco-friendly. To achieve this, Tesla has developed custom hardware and software tailored for Dojo. This includes proprietary chips and specialized software, ensuring optimal performance for artificial intelligence training tasks. Dojo is vital for Tesla's autonomous driving efforts. Here's why. 1. Data processing. It can process and learn from the enormous amount of data collected from Tesla vehicles. 2. Model training. It provides the computational power needed to train advanced neural networks to recognize and respond to various driving scenarios. 3. Continuous improvement. It supports ongoing updates and refinements to Tesla's AI models, making autonomous driving safer and more reliable. By developing Dojo, Tesla gains a significant edge over competitors. Customizing their supercomputer allows Tesla to optimize performance specifically for their needs, speeding up AI development and deployment. With Dojo, Tesla is poised to accelerate the development of full self-driving technology, bringing us closer to a future where cars drive themselves safely and efficiently. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech explainers. Thanks for watching.